Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is an automatic college timer. It is a microcontroller, and this is the LCD which is shows the real time, and this one is the RTC real time clock RTC, and below this one is the relay, and which capacitor has been attached to remove the noises. Here is the power supply, as we can see, AC power supply. This is the adapter port wire of DC power supply to system, and the white wire is for the attached to the bell. As you can see, the bell will ring at 16:30. Temperature is 33 degrees centigrade, and it is Tuesday. So it is a school timer. Real school. It is a automatic timer, school clock automatic timer using PIC 16 of 887. It's 16:30. You can hear the ringing of the bell. The ringing of the bell can be heard at 16:30. And these two switches are for adjusting the time and the bell system, adjusting the real time clock, and as well the task assigned to ring at the given time. This is the RTC, and it is a regulator of 7805 regulator. And here the capacitor has been used to remove the noises from the DC source. This is the DC power supply, and this one is the AC source, and this one is attached to the bell. So thank you for watching our video.